working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today in this session we are going to deal about a case study. So before going to the topic, let us have some common discussion. So in our day-to-day life, for work or for going to a college or a school or for doing some business, so we are traveling from one place to another place. So we are using our own vehicle or we are using some public transports to transfer from one place to another place, and also the commodities goods are transferred from one place to another place. So automobile is playing a very important role in our day-to-day life. So if you go with this automobile, we are going to discuss a case study in this automobile sector. So what is this? So that we can approach this case study in a design thinking concept. So already we have known that there are 5 parts of design thinking parts, that is empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. So here now we are going for the empathy part of the case study. So here what is the case study is? Case study on need for so this is our case study related to our automobile sector. So case study on need for electric vehicles. So here, before going to this topic, so we will see the empathy part. So what are the empathy based on this in the conventional mode which we are following now? So the first and foremost thing is the fossil fuels. So these fossil fuels are becoming lesser day by day because of the usage of these fossil fuels. So depletion is becoming more and more. So the depletion of the fossil fuel is the major setback now, and second one is the cost, and third one is the pollution. So if you take the empathy, these are the major setbacks in the existing transport modes we are using. If you take the fossil fuels, so the petroleum products which are we are using is day by day becoming depletion is becoming a biggest problem, and there is a huge demand in the petroleum products, and also the hike in the prices. If you take the cost wise, so in the early stages the price of the fuels were around 30 to 40 rupees per liter, but now it has crossed 100 rupees. So this gives a big hectic pressure to the middle class family persons who are traveling for their work purpose or any other purpose. So the investment for the fuel price is becoming more and more. So this demand in the fuel has becoming more focus on this depletion. So as per day by day the increasing usage of the fuel is what is happening is the depletion rate is becoming more and more. And coming to the second point, cost, that we have discussed, that the cost is increasing day by day. And if you take a recent scenario in Sri Lanka, they can see that because of the economic drop in Sri Lanka, what happened is the fuel and the food and everything where the people are starving to get this fuel and the food and everything. So leading a life in a simple way has become very difficult. The cost has become very high. So this can be happened in future also. And coming to the pollution. So the harmful gases are the toxic which are released in the IC engines from the vehicles, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, sulfur. So this is directly going and depleting the environment. So the ozone layer is getting depleted by these unwanted pollutants from the vehicles and also from the industries. So it is depleting the ozone layer. So here this depletion of ozone layer now is resulting in the global warming of the earth. So these are the empathy parts in this in the real time scenario. So here how to define, now we are coming to define this. So we can take this pollution as a major setback. Although the depletion is becoming lesser, so cost is also becoming high. So now we can't take a measure to reduce the cost. So what we are doing is we are going for the pollution. We are defining this as a major problem, as a pollution, as a defined stage in the design thinking. So now how to make this pollution by the scared stage as ideal. So we have made the empathy part, which has more in number, okay, and this has reduced. We have taken in account pollution, how to make the pollution to reduce. So what are the ways? Again these views are becoming more. So how to reduce pollution is, we can go for alternate energy. So alternate energy sources we can go. So what are the alternate energy? We can go for solar vehicles. So we can go for electric vehicles, that is hybrid. Okay. So here we can go for hydrogen energy. So there are many number of ways. So here, if we go through this pollution, if you want to reduce pollution, we can go for solar vehicles. So this is one way, and we can go for this hybrid technology using electrical vehicles. So the energy can be generated and then can be stored and can be utilized, and we can go for also hydrogen energy. So what is the main features of this alternative sources is, so this has no pollution. This is the major thing in this solar vehicles or electric vehicles. Now we are going for the prototype. So how this can be achieved? So we can have a small prototype of a solar vehicle. So here sun is the major source of energy. So here sun is the major source of energy. So the light rays falling on the solar panels. So if we take, so this is solar panels. Okay. So this is solar panels. So the light energy which is falling on the solar panels can be converted into electrical energy. So here this process called as photovoltaic. So this process called as photovoltaic. So the energy obtained in the solar panels can be charged in a battery. So with the help of this battery, so the charge or the power from the battery can be made to rotate a motor, so vehicle can be moved. So here, so this is a prototype. Now we can make this setup in a vehicle. So if there is a vehicle like this, the topmost part can be converted into solar panels. So this can be made into solar panels, where this can be converted to make the battery, and then it can be connected to the. So this can be made, and then the final stages we can test this. Okay. So based on the studies which is available, so this testing of these electric vehicles gives benefit of this defined parts. So here by using this photovoltaic method or by using these solar vehicles or using the solar energy, what happens is, so pollution is reduced. So here no unwanted gases or byproducts are not coming in case of this solar photovoltaic. So this is achieved. This empathy part is achieved. Cost also is reduced with the help of this. And the depletion of fossil fuels, we don't want to worry about the depletion of the fossil fuels. And also the usage of the solar power is free of cost. Only the conversion rate, the cost is there. So that is also, it is minimized when compared to this fossil fuel cost, and pollution is totally reduced. So now by using this solar vehicles, so these electric vehicles also plays a major role. So in our future, what we have to do is we have to go for the electric vehicles and the solar vehicles. So what is the need for this is, so we can reduce this pollution, and because of this pollution, global warming. So global warming can be reduced. So this is a case study on the need for electric vehicles. So my humble request is, in our future, we have to reduce the usage of these fossil fuels, and we have to switch over to the electric vehicles in order to have a sustainable environment and eco-friendly environment without any pollution. Thank you.